Okay, so now we're gonna incorporate a body to this head. So press File, New, General, and make sure you have saved this one before you do that. So File, New, General, and it'll say this message: you haven't saved Dexter, so you haven't saved the blend file, but you saved the FBX, which is what matters. Then discard changes, so this will go into the general file. We can just right click and delete the cube right there, and file, import. So this is going to import something from the computer, and choose import FBX. Now find in your computer the file that where you saved it. So go to the folders where you saved it, and then find your animal head.fbx. Click on it and then press import FBX. So that'll import the 3D. It'll also give you more than one camera and light, so you can click on the light, right click, delete, click on the camera, right click, delete. So now you have the animal head here. It should be in your scene. Then we can select the move tool and move it kind of away so that there's going to be the room for the body. And then also there's one thing in the modifiers tab, which is the wrench. So click on modifiers, add modifier decimate, because it's really detailed, way too detailed than what we need. So you can click and drag this to the left, and the blue will go down, and you'll see once it gets to about 0.2 or 0.1, you'll start noticing changes in the actual mesh, so it gets less detailed. So I suggest clicking here and typing in 0.1, so that'll make it still have detail but not too much. Or you could even go 0.05, except I'll go 0.1 and then press apply. So here it is right here. Right click and shade flat, so you can see all of the individual polygons. Then you can right click and shade smooth again, so it's smoother, except I like it shade flat. So there's the head of the animal. Now we're gonna add the body. So press add, mesh, UV sphere, or actually no, do icosphere. So there's the sphere, but then compared to the head, it's really not detailed at all. So add modifier subdivision surface again, apply. Then I'll select the scale tool, drag it outside to make it bigger, and then drag just the green to make it bigger in this direction. So there is the body. I will select rotate and Control Z that, just rotate on the red up a little. And then I can select the head. Maybe I'll shrink the head a little bit and move the head back down here. So there is the head and the body, but now it needs legs. But before we do legs, click on the body and go into sculpting, and then select the snake hook to add spikes or interesting features. You want to click right where the face is with the vertices, so that it can go better, and add a few spikes or interesting things. Maybe flatten the edges of the animal a bit, and there's the body. So next we'll be making the legs.